guys, Lord Bolton here, back with another video, and I'm playing Clash of Clans. Today guys, I'm gonna show an intense war, a fucking annoying war at that too. So yeah, it's this war. We lost 36 to 37 against a Go White plan. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tell you how this war started. Later I'm gonna tell you how this war ended and how annoying it was. So yeah, the war started by we failed a lot. I think I'm gonna show you guys. See, 0 star, 0 stars, 2 star, 1 star, 3 star, 1 star, 1 star, 2 star, 1 1 2 1 2 1 3. George as always not 1 1 1 2 1 1. As you guys can see, we had a rough start, but we turned it around when I came on. Literally, when I came on, everything went right. I mean, look at this 6-star wall. I 3-star number 10 at my first try. You guys are talking about the warrior conquering. I'm not in because I'm upgrading my what's it called, Burning King. So yeah, I'm dropping my golems to create an wizards to create a funnel. Dropping more prayers, gonna drop my heroes in a moment. There they are. They're gonna take out the Archer Queen. I'm gonna place my Hawks from this side to this side. I know there is giant bombs here, 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 and here. And yes, I avoided the giant bomb with placing one Hawk down. And if you guys ask why I know that, because I've seen it based on YouTube a lot of times, and there are always Teslas right there, and always giant bombs right here, and this is the right way to take this base down. I'm just kidding, guys. It was just my thoughts. And because of Spider Little and the enemy clan, which does not matter, right? Fuck the enemy clan, fucking alligators, fucking green beast. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, this attack turned out very good. In a moment, in some seconds, my Hawks are gonna get roasted. Literally roasted. See? There, my Hawks, 10 Hawks went down, approximately. Here, my cleanup are taking out the enemy base. And as you guys can see, I wrapped up and got a 3-star attack. Very, very nice. I'm not gonna show you my other attack because I don't like commenting my own attacks because, you know, it's kind of weird. But at the attack I'm gonna show you is Connors fail at number 8. What a noob. That's what I have to say. What a motherfucking noob. Guys, see this please. At Town Hall 10, failing against at Town Hall 9. Max goes below 30 heroes. Below hero and king, but seriously, how can you fail? And what is that strategy? No army, golems, witches, 9 hawks. Oh my god. Why can't you just do a normal go-ho? Wreck the base, or do a go-wee-wee? Go-ho, go-wipe. Oh my god. Get you that one check later. But yeah guys, as you guys can see, he's doing a queen walk. Man, I just can't get over this war. It's so fucking annoying when we could have won this. We choose that we could won by percentage, I guess. But he couldn't even do it, the over arrogant piece of shit. Seriously. It was annoying as fuck, guys. If you want to place what you had done. What we had done when the town 10 came in 3-star, 4 numbers below him. I'm just asking. And what I have to say is, what a fucking noob. Get the fuck out of here, motherfucker. I'm not gonna even watch this thing. But yeah, guys, our initial plan was when we're caught Texas and Charlie. Charlie did a good job. He 3-star number 12. But caught Texas, he was supposed to 3-star number 13. And Connor was gonna 3-star number 8. But as you guys can see, caught Texas did not use his attack. Connor couldn't even 3-star at Town Hall 9. Dude, what an idiot, what an Oregon bitch, or what a noob. He's probably a noob or all three. But yeah, the war ended in a loss. And we won our next war where it went kind of bad for me. My momentum where I got 6-star less war turned out to be a 3-star war. Guys, I swear this attack was annoying as fuck. I'm gonna show you guys it. I'm gonna show you the fuck kind of 3-star one. I won't bother to look at it because it's annoying. And yes, guys, I have a Town Hall 10 account, which I'm gonna record the next video where I'm gonna show you guys. It. Before this video, I don't know how to say it, but I made 5 or 4 videos where the screen fucked up. I'm hoping this video or the screen won't fuck up like last time, so I tried doing another thing and it actually worked. So guys, thank my intelligent brain for this video. Thank my brain, thank my stupid ass. Sounds weird. Let's see it. Okay guys, look at this war. 4 Town Hall 10s. Kinda primitive Town Hall 10, but he's doing it for the war weight. Sonu, okay I guess. Look at this. Number 1. Level 37 Queen, level 32 Hero, pretty good Town Hall 10. Pretty good also. Pretty good also. And pretty good or what? But max defenses. So we are screwed this war. We are screwed. Number 1. The fuck? Number 2. 904 war stars. The fuck? That's a lot of war stars. So the war is looking kinda grim for us. We will probably lose, and I hope we lose. I'm just kidding, but we're gonna lose. The upgrades I'm doing on base, I'm upgrading both my mortars. Upgrading Birkin was just started today, actually just a moment ago. But yeah, guys, hope you liked this video. If you do, or if you did, please like, subscribe for more content. Peace out, motherfuckers. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. I'm just kidding, guys. Peace out.